Public area supervisor. The public area supervisor is responsible for maintaining cleanliness in the hotel public areas. With more precision, supervise the cleaning of lobbying, corridors, restaurants, meeting rooms and other public space. Inspect public areas to ensure they meet cleanliness standards. Monitor and train public areas cleaners. Ensure proper usage and maintenance of cleaning equipment. Coordinates with maintenance for any repair in public areas. Room attendant, housekeeping attendant. The room attendant is responsible for cleaning and preparing guest rooms to ensure they are welcoming and comfortable. Responsibilities: clean and sanitize guest room, bathroom and living area. Change bed linen and towels, replenish amenities and restock supplies. Vacuum, dust and mop the floors. Check for maintenance issues in room and report them to supervisors. Arrange and tidy rooms according to hotel standards. Handle guest requests such as providing additional towels or amenities. In the next video, I will detail the position of public area attendant and laundry supervisor.